Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essential prerequisites. Confirm your device OS version and available storage, because app updates fail when space or OS is incompatible. Next, backup YouTube preferences and note the Google account you use. This preserves subscriptions and history. If you plan to sideload an APK, enable unknown sources for a moment, only from a trusted source. Once done, reboot the device. Restarting often clears package installer conflicts and prepares the system for the next actions. Now continue with concrete fixes. Try updating through the Play Store or App Store first. If that fails, clear the store and YouTube cache and data, then retry. This removes corrupted metadata. If still incompatible, find a YouTube build that matches your device CPU architecture and Android API level, then sideload it carefully. Boot into safe mode to prevent other apps interfering during install. Once installed, exit safe mode and grant the permissions YouTube requests so playback and background functions work as in. Finish by signing into your Google account and testing core features, playback, casting, and subscriptions. Make sure picture-in-picture and background play behave as expected. Adjust app permissions if needed. If problems persist, consider installing an older stable YouTube build that supports your OS, or, as a final measure, perform a factory reset after backing up data. If you still get errors, capture the exact error code or log output. This information speeds support and prevents unnecessary steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.